Make sure the mic is on. What do I want to say? What's going on, guys? Today we have a 2025 Grenadier made by Ineos in the shop. We're going to be doing a full body PPF on this. We're going to keep the original paint. We're going to go for a more matte stealth look though, using a satin finish made by 3M. And yeah, so this one's a pretty interesting vehicle. We do a lot of the interiors on these, as you guys can see. We went ahead and did the red leather interior on this. We are also doing wheels and tires as well, and then obviously we're going to finish it off with the full body PPF. We have already washed it. I just want to go over it one more time, hit it with a clay bar, make sure I can get rid of as many contaminants as possible, and then after that we go over to the plotter. We're going to start cutting film, get everything weeded out, and then after that I'll start laying it. We're going to get this one knocked out. I'll switch over to some B-roll, show you guys a little bit of the process, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so went ahead and got these doors knocked out, tucked everything around, so we got all four done. My boy Austin is here. He's actually going to help me finish this one up. So he's got this quarter panel on this side. He's getting this one knocked out. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I got the quarter panel over here cut, so basically I just got to spray it to get it off the backing paper, and then I'm going to start working on the quarter panel and then try to get this thing knocked out. Alright guys, so obviously as you can see, the fender is done. I have been taken off of this project more than once. My buddy Austin, he came in and got the rest of these panels knocked out. I've actually had to break off and go attack the Z06 that's over there. Essentially, we have everything all pretty much done at this point. All the panels are laid, everything is trimmed. Antho went ahead and finished all the reassembly, so everything is put back together. I think we are just waiting on the wheels and tires. This thing is getting a wheel and tire package. As you can see here, we do offer wide selection of wheels, tires. We do lifts, sunroofs, everything. We did some red interior accents, as you guys can see. So custom Recaro seats, we did matching center, and then we also added matching material on the e-brake, I believe on the shifter as well. So it's gonna look pretty sick when it's all done. I mean, this one's pretty much wrapped up. Obviously, you know what it is. I'm gonna switch to some B-roll, let you guys see some close-ups and a final video of it when it's done, but that's gonna be it as far as on the vlog side. Alright guys, so as you can see, we finished the Grenadier behind me. We are all wrapped up with it. As you guys can tell, it looks really clean. I'll go ahead and unfixate off my face real quick. But yeah, as you guys can tell from the B-roll, we got it knocked out. Went from the gloss black to the full stealth finish, and yeah, that's gonna be a wrap. If you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the next one.